Namaste, I'm Dr. Vinay, a hepatologist at Narayana Health. I'll be trying to talk about one of the most common disease which causes chronic liver disease in India, that is about a viral disease called hepatitis B. I'm sure many of you would be knowing about this disease called hepatitis B, which is usually transmitted from one person to another person, causing liver disease and subsequently leading to cirrhosis of liver and many other complications. Now, what is hepatitis B? It is a viral disease which usually has multiple modes of transmission. It can be transmitted from one person to another person through either an infected mother transmitting her to the child who is a newborn, who is not, if he is not treated, can progress to a chronic liver disease. Second, it can be transmitted through various blood products which are quite unsafe if it is not tested properly. Third, when we use common syringes to everyone or infected syringes being shared by multiple persons. And many other routes are there which can transmit this disease. So what is the problem with this disease? Is that in India, almost about 40 million people are HBV carriers and may not be diagnosed properly at a proper time, and a later date may end up with complications such as cirrhosis of liver, and also would have developed malignancies or cancers in their liver and at the time of presentation to our hospital. So how can one diagnose, or one can get diagnosed with disease, is by simple tests such as a blood test for serology of hepatitis B and ultrasound abdomen to check for any occurrence of chronic liver disease features in the abdomen. So how can we prevent this disease? Is very important, because if we prevent the infection itself, you can prevent the occurrence of disease. So safe practices of health such as vaccination of the newborn as well as those patients or those persons who are healthy and do not have any past occurrence of infection can be vaccinated effectively and thus be helpful for prevention of the disease. Third, one can always get a safer blood products properly tested and then transfused to the patients. Definitely prevents the occurrence of infection. And fourth is to avoid the habits such as usage of needles, IV drug abuse, and this can definitely prevent the occurrence of hepatitis B. So if there is hepatitis B infection, is this the end of the life? No. It is always a treatable condition, and you need to consult a hepatologist to adequately get diagnosed at an earlier stage and can be treated with antiviral drug, which can be helpful in leading a happy and healthy life. So my message is clear. One need not worry about the disease. Always it is preventable if diagnosed early and taken adequate treatment. Thank you.